Can you imagine your house thinking for itself? What if your home could anticipate your needs before you even knew them? Welcome to the world of AI and smart homes. Picture a world where artificial intelligence, the brainchild of human innovation, is integrated into our homes, performing tasks usually done by us. Imagine homes, smarter than ever, equipped with devices that automate our daily routines. Intriguing, isn't it? Now, wouldn't you want to know how these two work together? Let's delve deeper. AI and smart homes. Two powerful concepts that, when combined, revolutionize the way we live. Let's take a moment to understand these two elements individually before we delve into their synergy. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the driving force behind machines thinking and learning like humans. It's the magic that allows computers to process information, make decisions, and even learn from experience. This is done using complex algorithms and computational models, which enable AI to analyze data, identify patterns, and make predictions. On the other hand, a smart home is a residence equipped with a network of interconnected devices that manage and automate various home functions. This could range from adjusting the lighting based on the time of day to locking the doors when everyone has left the house. Now imagine the transformative power when we integrate AI into smart homes. This combination allows our homes to not just automate tasks, but to learn from our habits and preferences. It's like having a personal assistant who not only knows what you want, but also when you want it. For instance, your home could learn your preferred temperature settings, adjusting the heating or cooling systems accordingly. Or your smart fridge could track your food consumption, reminding you to buy milk when it knows you're about to run out. Imagine a home that adjusts the temperature just the way you like it, or a refrigerator that tells you when you're out of milk. That's the power of AI in smart homes.